In this video, we're going to discuss the best remote work job in 2023. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. So as the pandemic taught us, there's a lot of flexibility as well as benefits that come with you actually being able to work remotely. And as we head into a new phase in terms of where we are from an economic standpoint, working from home still has a lot of benefits. And if you're someone who's out there and wondering what your next opportunity is going to be, and you're targeting being able to work remotely or at least working from home, then there's one option that I encourage that you keep in mind. And that option is actually starting a recruiting agency. Keep in mind that in order for you to operate a successful recruiting agency, you do not have to be within a physical location. So all of the benefits that you would be able to reap from, let's say, a remote job, you can also reap those same benefits from a remote business. Not only do you have the flexibility in terms of your time, but you also have flexibility in terms of your income potential. And you're probably wondering exactly what I mean by that. Well, when you own your own business, there is no limit to the amount of income that you can bring in. More specifically, with a recruiting agency, there is no limit to how many contracts you can put in place and how many requisitions you can ultimately fill based on those contracts that you do put in place. Meaning you can earn anywhere from 6 figures to 7 figures within a year's time frame from owning a recruiting agency. Now, one of the benefits that I feel is not talked about enough is actually the time benefit. This means that you have the opportunity to really operate your recruiting agency at a time that's going to work best for you. There's a lot of work that goes in on the back end in order for you to prepare yourself to reach out to prospective clients. You can choose to do that work at a time that suits you best, meaning no longer are you tied to a certain time frame, such as a 9 to 5. You're able to operate your business at a time that works best for you, as well as still reap the unlimited income potential that comes with you owning your own business. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my videos that drop weekly. Now, one of the other cool things about you actually being able to own a recruiting agency is that you can easily scale this business as you get to a point where you're growing, meaning that as you're bringing in more income, you can dip into other revenue streams associated with your recruiting agency. So maybe you actually go into staffing. You'll have the revenue to be able to actually operate a staffing agency right along with your recruiting agency, ultimately increasing your income potential. You can also take on various other revenue streams that you feel would be a complement to your recruiting agency. So no longer are you tied to just one revenue stream. Again, you being able to be successful in this business is going to be focused on you, 1, knowing the fundamentals, but 2, also being able to scale. And you can easily scale your recruiting agency once you get to a point of understanding exactly what it takes to be successful. And ultimately understanding that it is not required for you to have a physical location in order to be successful. Well, I hope that you found this video to be helpful. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as if you are not in my Facebook group, then I encourage you to join because we are in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.